Hello guys, oh, Holy Trinity. Before. This is my high school before. It's full of trees inside. But it still can be open on the condition that the administrator will be a sister or a mother or a madre ba? And it's full of jungle now. It's jungle now inside. Look at that, man. This is where I graduated my high school before. Holy Trinity Academy.